At some time,
Yeah.
all our religious stories were true.
Yes, yes,
And
because
then
they were alive.
They were coming out of the lived reality
And that's
of the
what's
people.
wrong with the Christian dogma. It's no longer, Jung said this, the minute that's exactly what he said. It becomes dogma and it's no longer alive and it's no longer applicable and exactly. What I hope for the world is that the bottom line gets changed to the golden mean. Because I believe that the golden mean practiced would establish true civilization.
And what would that look like?
Well, the golden mean is the perfect accommodation. So we would all be living the truth. And it don't get much better than truth, sweethearts. That's it.
Okay.
Oh, well, I've just been asked what the crazy part of this is. Just before I came down here, I told this to my daughter. And I said, I want to put this on YouTube to try and get the slogan changed that massages, what's his name said that McLuhan said that the message is the massage. Well, we're being massaged by the bottom line. And if you change that to the golden mean, you are massaged into the beauty of truth. God bless. God bless.